Did the mic move? This was my first camera ever when I was 15, and today this is what I shoot with. My name is Paul Prescott, and I'm an aerial photographer and the founder of Amazing Aerial. The first time I put the drone up into the air, I got butterflies in my tummy. To be able to see the world from above, from a different perspective, to be able to fly around very quickly to different locations. I feel like an adventurer when I'm flying with my drone. I can go on hikes, I can go to islands. I feel the sensation of excitement and of discovery. I'm not always sure what I'm going to actually find. And that's also the beauty of it. It's like, let's see what there is to see. I wanted to establish a vision, and that vision was to take photos of the world so people would fall in love with the planet and therefore respect it. I reached out to photographers around the world and wanted to find out if they wanted to create a beautiful aerial collection called Amazing Aerial. I thought that having a team and having a community of like-minded people would feel connected and stunned by the beauty of our planet. We have 160 photographers on our team, and every single photographer has their own style. But what is really beautiful is that we all get inspired from each other. And that's also one of the reasons why I work with Adobe. Adobe, they really, really respect the photographer. They put the photographer to the forefront. So I think it's beautiful that we can tell stories from around the world and show the world from different perspectives so people can respect it and to contribute to this collection and build a worldwide collection of aerial photography. Over the years at Amazing Aerial, I've seen a lot of amazing photos. What I'm looking for nowadays is to really be stunned, saying, wow, that person really pushed the barriers. When I take a photo, I'm giving part of myself into that photo. I want to give them a little bit of joy and show them what I shot and saying, look how beautiful this is, and to share the joy that I have. That's why I also really like working with Adobe stock, because I had the feeling that I could continue doing that. It wasn't about just uploading, selling, that it was really about the artist. Aerial has given us that dimension, saying, oh, maybe we can do something new and go beyond. Or we can have that combination of being an adventurer and finding something new.